Sometimes when I scroll through Instagram, I see some coaches using just one link on their Instagram bio. Before, I used to wonder, how do they do that? Just one link, and when you click on that link, it takes you to several other links. You won't see any other link though. It's going to be at the back end. You are going to see options for you to ask them questions, options for you to buy a course, options for you to join their Telegram webinar group or whatever, up to like 10 other things you can do. This is a very good feature you can use, and that app you can use to do that is Linktree. If you are able to use Linktree very well, it can help you to create a landing page that is going to lead you to several other links or features of things you want people to do, action you want people to take. For example, as a business owner, you can let people click on just one link on your Instagram bio and then lead them to the link that is going to help them to purchase a particular thing, or take them to your website, or take them to a place where they can chat with you and ask questions. So many different things you can let them do just with you doing the Linktree features for you to be able to give them that option. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can set up your own Linktree account, how you can put all of these links, the site you can also go to generate links that can help people to chat with you better. For example, some people don't know how to send message. You just say hi and start asking them questions, but this link is going to help them to go straight to the point. Like, it's going to prompt something out for them to say, I am blah blah blah, I want to buy this, or I am so I saw this on Instagram, something like that. So in this video, I'm going to help you to know how to do that, then put all of it, integrate it inside the Linktree website. Would you want to learn that? Let's go right into this. So let's talk about how you want to log in to Linktree. So what you want to do is to search for Linktree login, and you're going to see this. So you want to click on login. Now, I want to assume that you don't have your own Linktree login details. So what you want to do is you want to click on don't have an account, sign up. So you want to sign up. Then when you click on sign up, it takes you to says create your account, choose your Linktree username. You can always change it later. Then you use an email, you create an account. I didn't have an account, I want to log in, so I'm going to log in into the Linktree account, right? So I am in now. This is my own account. I want to take you around this application. So if you click on the top right corner where the three dots are, this is where you can share the link, share this Linktree. So if I click on this, it's going to give me an allowance to share to wherever I want to share to. I can copy. So my Linktree account is linktr.ee/olufemioyeko_. I can copy and share it to whatever platform I want to share it to. Then it takes them to this, right? So, and this is the link I use on my Instagram. If you go to my Instagram, you will see this link working on this account. So let's get to the account. You will see this link on this account. This is what I used here, Linktree/olufemioyeko_. So if you click on this link, just one link, if you click on it, it's going to say get access to my resources, right? Then this pops up all the things I have put there, like 1 2 3 4 5 different links. This takes you to my seller page where I sell my courses, right? So the next one sent you to my video creation waitlist if you want to join my video creation waitlist. So if I click on continue, it takes the person to my Telegram group, right? So let's move to the next one. This one takes them to my latest YouTube video, and you see, you can embed as much links as you want. So let me now teach you how you can do that. We are going to go to this place. So I want to embed a link here. This is how your admin interface is going to look like when you want to add your link to it. So you have links, you have appearance. I'm clicking on appearance. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set up your profile. Then you can get analytics too. Let's click on analytics and see what we have under analytics. The network is pretty slow this day that I'm recording this video, so analytics will help you to see what you have as your data. Say no activity in selected time range. Learn about sharing your Linktree, right? So these are just about the things that you have done with Linktree. So but this is not bringing anything. Actually, this is nothing. So you can click on more to see what Linktree asks for us. So let us see what we have under more. So we have social icons, support banner, mailing list integrations, commerce integrations, blah 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 blah. See, but the main ones that concern you is the appearance, and that's where I want to work on the appearance and the link. So I've clicked on the link. Let us see what it's going to give us, and that's where the main concern of this video is going to be directed on. So this is what you do. You click on, this is it. This is the admin interface of the links you were seeing on the other end. So for example, this is the link to my WhatsApp. If I click on this, this is the link to my WhatsApp. Join my free class. This is join my Telegram session. This is the link. Learn business structure, full payments. This is the link, and so and so. Latest YouTube. If I click on add link, I will add URL here. Whatever URL I want to add, I add it here. So let's say I'm adding one URL that's not working like that. So I don't know if this is going to work anyways. So let's see if we can put wa.me/23. Okay, add. This is a link to my WhatsApp. Then it's saying great job adding a link. Okay, so if I want to add a picture to the link, you see this is bringing Couture brand already because that's my link name. So but if I want to add something, let's say I want to change it, I want to say message me to buy my course or anything, blah blah blah, it's going to bring it out. That's where I'm going to change this Couture brand. I click on the pencil icon. Then if I want to put a picture to it, I'll click on this picture icon. Then I will change. I can add a picture from my computer. I can add maybe from any of these options, maybe any icon that is giving us here, but I really don't like this one, so you can add from your gallery. So when you do that, it's going to give you the link on the other end where people can click. And so you can imagine if you are able to do like 4 or 5 link clicks like that, how awesome it's going to look. So appearance is more of like a bio for you. I've clicked on appearance now. You're going to have profile, not profile from Instagram, but profile for yourself on Linktree itself. So profile title, your bio, you add all those customization, you add all those details. So I've added mine, profile title, bio, blah blah blah. You can put your image, and that's pretty much it. So the next question is, how do you now put when you have set everything, so anytime you want to do any other thing, you can come here, add another link, come here, add another link. So you just need one link here. Let's see what it's going to do as preview. You see, core 12 brand. This is preview. This is how it's going to look like outside. Core 12 brand, but I don't want this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this because I did this for the purpose of content, for the purpose of education. So delete, delete is forever, delete. So I've deleted that. So let's preview. So if I reload, it will not come up again. So if I want to share, what I'll just need to do is I will click on share here and I can copy the link. So and you can put the link on your Instagram bio. So I hope this Linktree helps you to be able to put in as much links as you can. This can serve as your landing link. I'm going to be showing you how you can generate links directly from your WhatsApp. So when you put the link on your Instagram bio, it directs people down to your WhatsApp and it can come with a message. Actually, there is a video I made on this particular topic. If you use wa.link and you put it on your browser, you will see a site where you can generate this kind of links. But with WhatsApp Business, you can also do something like this. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do is you want to click on the top right corner and you will see the three dots. Click on it, then takes you to your settings. You click on your settings. Then when your settings comes up, you look for business tools. When you click on business tools, then you will see another three dots by the top right corner. You click on this. Thing is dicey, you may not find it easily. That's the problem I usually find sometimes when I forget. So but now this video is going to help you to remember. Top right corner, you will see short link. When you click on short link, it's going to give you a link. So what you want to do is you want to click on this message. For example, I have this message. I'll click on this message. I'll click on the bio and you see what I did. I give someone a link. With WhatsApp you can give a link. So I want to buy the love box. I saw it from Mr. David. So you can actually say I want to buy the love box. I saw it from Instagram. So whenever anybody comes, you know the person is coming from Instagram. You click on OK and this generates a link. This link exactly. You click on share link and when you copy the link, you now take the link to your Linktree. So let's go to Linktree. So you want to log in into your Linktree admin. So when you're able to log in, you click on the URL and you paste. When you paste, it may not bring the add button. So if it doesn't bring the add button, what you do is you go and remove this message called 12 from blah 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 or your handle. So when you do that, make sure that what you are having remaining is starting from HTTPS. You see the add has come up, so you will remove it. Then you have this, then you click on add. The moment you're able to click on add, it will bring the remaining things you want to do, like putting the header, putting the link is there already, so you can edit. Instead of core 12 brand, you can put your brand name, then you can add a header, you can add the image you want to add as a thumbnail, and you have the rest that you need to add, and it works on your page directly. So that is how you can create a link for yourself using WhatsApp. But if you want to add a link from another website, you just click on the link to website, you add it here. Link to other website, you add it here. Maybe it's an affiliate link to, you add it. So that's how to do the WhatsApp one. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up and follow, subscribe.